In space, sound cannot travel because there is no medium for sound waves to propagate. On Earth, sound is transmitted through the vibration of molecules in air, water, or solid materials. However, in space, the distance between molecules is so vast that these vibrations cannot be transferred. As a result, sound waves cannot travel in the vacuum of space, and there is no sound. Astronauts communicate in space using electromagnetic waves, such as radio waves, because these waves can travel even in a vacuum. This unique feature makes space a place of complete silence.